Add a smart switch or dimmer to your XL LifeSmart installation.
Please note, wiring to be done by a licensed electrician only.
It's time now to open your Legrand Home Plus control app. Press the settings icon. Add product. Press Legrand. Select switch. Turn off the main switch in the load center, then press Next. Wire the smart switch or dimmer using the instructions provided. Please take note as to whether it's a one-way or a two-way configuration. Let's turn the main switch back on and wait a moment until the gateway reconnects to the Wi-Fi. You'll also notice that your smart switch or dimmer will turn red. It's now time to associate your smart switch or dimmer with your existing installation. If you have a wall gateway, press and hold both buttons of the wireless master switch until it flashes green, then release. If you have a DIN rail gateway, press and hold the front button until the green light appears. Before proceeding to the next step, check that all of the lights on your wired products are green. This can take a few minutes. Wait for your product to be loaded. Allocate the smart switch or dimmer to a room. If the smart switch or dimmer is located in an existing room, select it from the list, otherwise add a new room. Press the button on the smart switch or dimmer. Your smart switch or dimmer pops up on the screen. Click on it to rename it. Once you've allocated your smart switch or dimmer to a room, press Finish. Check your installation on the screen and confirm. To control your smart switch or dimmer, click on the room it's in and toggle it on or off. For more information, visit our website or discover more videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.